In today's video of rational numbers, we will learn to find rational numbers between given numbers a and b. In our previous video, we have learnt that we can find infinite number of rational numbers between two given numbers. How to find these numbers? Let us discuss. There are many methods. The first method is the mean method. Mean means the middle term. The mean of two numbers a and b is sum of numbers divided by 2. And this new number, new fraction will be the number between a and b. Let us take the numbers 3 and 5. We know between 3 and 5 lies 4. The same thing we do with formula. How? We take a as 3, b as 5, the two given numbers, and put the values according to the formula 3 plus 5, a plus b, divide by 2. It is 8 by 2 or the same number 4. In this way, we have found a rational number between two given rational numbers 3 and 5. Now further, we can find one more rational number here which lies between 3 and 4. And the formula will be same. Now a is 3, b is 4. A and b. And the number will be 3 plus 4 by 2. It is 7 by 2. Here, 7 by 2 is another rational number that lies between 3 and 4. Similarly, we will find a number here also that will lie between 4 and 5. So, for a as 4, b as 5, we have the number mean sum of 4 and 5 and divide by 2. It is 9 by 2 here. So we have found between 3 and 5 three more rational numbers. If the question says find 5 more numbers, then we can further do the calculations between these two numbers 7 by 2 and 4. It can be between these two 4 and 9 by 2. It can be here also, here also. So 4 new numbers can be found. Then further here like this, any number of rational numbers we can find. So this method is mean method, the first method to find the rational number between a and b. Let us proceed towards second method, which is the addition method. What we do in this method? We have to find the rational numbers between given numbers a upon b and p upon q. These two rational numbers are given. We write these two numbers a by b and p by q. And what we do? Add the numerators a and p upon add the denominators also b plus q. Now this is the new number, new rational number, and it will certainly lie between these two numbers. And we have found our new number. Let us see with the help of example. We take 2 by 3, 5 by 6. These are the two numbers 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. So first sum of numerators 2 plus 5 upon 3 plus 6. It is 7 by 9. It lies here 7 by 9. One number we have found. Again we find a number here, adding these two now 2 by 3 and 7 by 9. It will give sum of numerators 2 plus 7. Sum of denominators 3 plus 9. It is 9 by 12, or we can say 3 by 4 after cancellation. It is here 3 by 4. Next, we find a number here. It lies between 7 by 9 and 5 by 6. The same method, sum of numerators 7, 5, sum of denominators 9, 6. It is 7 plus 5, 12, 9 plus 6, 15, and some calculations 4 upon 5, cancelling on the table of 3. This number is 4 by 5. So we have found three numbers, 3 by 4, 7 by 9, 4 by 5, which lies between these two given numbers. And same way we can find a number here, here, here also, anywhere, here also, like this. This method is addition method to find the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Now we move towards the formula method. Third method is formula method. What is the formula? We have to find first of all d. D is equal to y minus x upon n plus 1. Y minus x upon n plus 1. Y and x, these are the two rational numbers which are given in the question. Then n is number of the rational numbers that we have to find out. It is also in the question. After calculating d, the rational numbers will be x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d, and so on up to how many numbers we have to find out. Let us check out with the help of the example. Question is, we have to find 4 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. This is our question. 4 is n. This is x, the first number, and y, the second number. Then first we calculate d. D is equal to y minus x upon n plus 1. That is y 5 by 6 minus x 2 by 3 upon n, the numbers, plus 1 by the formula. Doing the calculations, 6 and 3 LCM 6, 5 minus 4 upon 4 plus 1, 5. It is 1 by 6 into 5, that is 1 by 30. It is our D. Now with this D, we find the 4 rational numbers as x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d, and x plus 4d. These are the 4 rational numbers. They will be equal to x 2 by 3 plus d 1 by 30. Taking the LCM and doing the calculations, it will be equal to 21 by 30, that is 7 by 10. Then second number, again x plus 2d, 2 into 1 by 30. It is 2 by 3 plus 2 by 30 is equal to 30 LCM, 20 plus 2, 22 by 30, or 11 by 15. The third number, x plus 3 into d. Once we have found d, after that calculation work is left, and that is quite easy. It is now 23 by 30. And finally the fourth number, 2 by 3 plus 4 into 1 by d. It is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 30 is equal to LCM 20 plus 4, 24 by 30, or it is 4 by 5 for the table of 6. So we have found 4 rational numbers. X and y was 2 by 3, 5 by 6. The rational numbers we have found is 7 by 10, 11 by 15, 23 by 30 and 4 by 5. These 4 rational numbers we have found. So today we learned 3 methods: the mean method, addition method and the formula method. In our next video, we will do more methods to find rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Till then, you please practice the same sums from your course book, and for any queries, do write to us in our comment box. Work hard and stay healthy. See you in the next video. For that, subscribe our channel. Take care. Work hard. Bye bye.